Jack looks half Japanese. I've gotten that 1,000 times in my life. I don't know if I'll look more or less Asian the older I get. Stay tuned. Hit subscribe. Set piece Japan. Oh, I think. Oh, the ball just stops. That was kind of funny. Japan actually keep it somehow. I'm not really sure what's happened. Joe Fujita might be going the full 90 right now. I feel like that's a pretty big statement. Do you like wine? Yes. I like red wine more than anything. White wine I can do like sparingly. If it's all you got, I'll have it over beer. But Ritsu Doan. One-on-one out wide. There's pretty much no space. He's got to retreat. Back to Doan. A little bit more here. Can Japan get another triangle? The whole Scotland team. Seko, of all people, puts the ball in. Doan in the box still. Doan. And it's going to go out for a goal kick. Happy feet from Ritsu Doan there, but he can't get the ball across. Scotland defending with a lot of people. Malbec. Yeah, I do really like Malbec. Beer sucks ass, not going to lie. I agree with you. There's like 3 beers that I like. Damn, I don't even know who this is. Hashioka coming in? Kamada as well? Oh, Joe Fujita. I just said Joe Fujita's playing the full 90. Nope, subbed off. Dude, Moriyasu does watch these streams. That's insane. I have no idea who this is. Oh my gosh, Shiogai is actually getting minutes too. Okay. All right, keep an eye on number 22. Watch him not do a single thing. Japan versus Argentina, would you like to see that as a friendly? I think that's one of the friendlies that the world needs the most. I think McKenna just got a yellow card for Scotland. Probably just too many different fouls. It is kind of funny to me that not a single Scottish player can really like dribble, you know what I mean? Like they can carry the ball in like straight lines, but nobody has like the sauce. 18 cuts inside. Ooh! Almost. Who is that? Hurst. Almost put somebody in a hearse from Japan. It's not a good initial ball. I don't know who did that, actually. Was it U8? I think it was Nakamura. Yeah, Nakamura just with a not very smart cross-field ball to Junya Ito. Kills the counterattack. Sends everything going the other way. Not a good decision, and they almost pay for it. I don't know if Suzuki would have saved that. I don't know. Probably not, though. That was probably 1-0 Scotland, and I'm sitting here like, okay. There we go again. Jack, what happened to Korea? They didn't convert any of their chances. They did get a little unlucky, and their one-on-one defending was really, really bad. I mean, they were basically just getting turned by, like, anybody. Everybody from Cote d'Ivoire playing their backups was, like, breaking away. If Japan were as good at football as their delusional fanboys are hyping, As their delusional fanboys are at hyping up their mediocre players, they would have 6 World Cups? BC, come on, man. That's like 2 out of 10 rage bait. 6 World Cups. You could have said a World Cup, and I would have believed you more. Here we go. I think that's Tierney spinning in the box. Nope. It was actually a pretty good attack from Scotland. It's been more 50-50 the last like 10 minutes. Yeah, if Japan do not play their starters against England, Moriyasu out. I mean, I'm already Moriyasu out, but... Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. I just don't understand how you as a manager could expect your team to gel and to play well at all when they never play with the same players next to them. It's never the same midfield. It's never the same attack. It's never the same defense. It's just a different guy every single time, and it doesn't matter if they're good players. If you don't know your teammates' tendencies or, yeah, what they like to do. Do they like the ball on his left foot, on his right foot? How often does he make the run versus how often does he look to hold up the play? You're never going to max out the potential of your squad. And Moriyasu, it's like he'd rather make sure everybody... It's like he's got a diversity quota with the freaking national team. He's got a diversity minutes quota with Japan. He's like, I called him up to the camp, so it would be disrespectful if I didn't give him 45 minutes for some reason. I don't understand. Corner kick for Japan here. Junya Ito, who's probably their best set piece taker, puts in another one. Damn, even Taniguchi's got long hair now. And he wins it. I should probably be on target, but... Okay, here we go. Yeah, Japan have not moved the ball around enough, but they do well here. Mitoma, ball comes across! Ball comes across! And it's Junya Ito with the goal. Hell yes, baby. My favorite Japanese player. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There we go. Now Saturday's cooking. Honor restored to the AFC. Thanks to my guy. Ooh, that was a good attack. Oh, that was a good attack. Looks like it kind of bounced off Gunn's leg. I think he's had a good game, the Scottish goalkeeper, to be fair. Let me see here. So it starts Nakamura to Mitoma, down to I can't tell. And I think it's Shiogai who kind of kills the ball for Junya Ito's shot. It's the other Suzuki, I believe. It's not a great shot from... Not a great shot from my boy Ito, to be fair, but this is why anybody who thinks Junya Ito is not a starter for Japan does not know ball. You don't know ball if you think Junya Ito should not play. He's by far the most impactful Japanese player. By far. Even if he doesn't start, he always comes on and gets a goal involvement every single time. I don't know how, other than he's that mother effing guy. Good tackle from him right there, too. Let's go. Kamada on the ball here. Just play it back, man. Thank you. 5 minutes now. Other Suzuki. I need to learn the center back Suzuki's first name because I don't know his name. I'm just going to call Zion Suzuki Zion so that there's no confusion. Here we go. Japan kind of pressing here. Scotland, let's see what they can do. I mean, these guys are used to playing pretty good national teams. Their qualifying group was tough. Let's see if they can respond.